Oh, there we go. All right, we're live. Dr. Zales approached me with her Coke Mentos science experiment. Regular Coca-Cola versus Diet Coke. Which can make a bigger fountain? And how could I say no? Such a professional-looking lab coat. So, to surprise her, I came up with a secondary experiment and more Coke Mentos. But these are really cold. Which one do you want to do first? This one? Alright. So we're doing a warm, regular Coca-Cola first. Those two are refrigerated. Alright, what do you want to do? Do you want to try and put them through a tube, or do you want to try and put them all in there as fast as you can?
Tube.
Tube? Alright.
Or I could just drop them.
Yep, or you can just drop them in. That was the other option.
Like all at the time and then back up and
Yep, that's what the tube is for. Otherwise, you can only do one at a time. You ready? You're gonna do it.
Yep, hold the tube.
Hold the tube, and then just give it a shake. They're sticking to the end of the tube over there.
Woo!
Good save, good save.
I forgot I was gonna overflow.
Oh yeah.
Overflows fast, doesn't it?
Alright. You wanna do this one? No, you don't want to do
it
this one?
different this time? Just drop them in as fast as you can?
You wanna just try and drop them in? You got it. You got it.
Jack will help you. You drop 3 and he'll drop the other 4 in, okay?
Yeah. Yeah, here you drop these in, I'll drop the other ones in. Okay. Well, here's what it looks like when you try and drop as many in as you can.
Good call. Good call on that one.
Alright, alright. Woo!
Now we're doing 2 more.
Yep, now these are the refrigerated
Shower.
ones.
Oh, those are refrigerated now? Okay.
Yep.
I want to try with paper.
Okay. So you can't squeeze it, you gotta just let them slide right in, alright?
And shake it.
And
Get
shake
like a
it.
slide form to go down.
Hold it flat.
Okay? You ready? You can open this end up. Is it ready like a slide? Now don't hold too tight here.
Yeah, don't squeeze
Okay.
it. I gotta slide right out.
Where are they?
So refrigerated doesn't seem to be as reactive. Or maybe it's we didn't get him in there as quick. Woo! Yeah, drop him in this one. Why not? Yeah, that's weird. Does that one?
Watch 'cause it's not full, huh?
Yeah, and it's already pretty fizzed out.
Okay, then you can take the lid off.
All right, here we go. You ready? Can you hold the bottle still? All right, you ready? 3, 2, 1. All right.
It's overflowing.
Well, that settles it. Warm soda makes a taller fountain. All right. I gotta go shower and clean all this stuff up. Adios. Take it easy. That was fun. I might hop on for some gaming a little later. What time is it? We'll see. Adios.
Bye.